Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
How about other preparation? Probably preparation for fire is probably the thing that I'd like to get homeowners' attention about, just about inventorying and storage of certain things. It's not rocket science,
No.
but it takes a little commitment to get it done.
Absolutely. And you know, the one thing that right now is a huge issue is so many people are underinsured. Pricing has gone through the roof, as you all know.
Amen.
But they don't think about that in terms of their insurance. So they haven't updated their insurance coverage. And you cannot believe the number of homes that we go into, they don't have enough money to rebuild.
It's a 14-year-old policy.
Yeah. And they haven't looked at it. They haven't updated it.
Man.
And so, unfortunately, you know, can we rebuild it? Yeah, there's not much we can't rebuild. But if they don't have the funding for it and it's not provided, there's people that are having to walk away and they don't have all the funds that they need in order to do. And very few people have a nest egg big enough to cover the difference.
What the potential loss could be.
Yeah.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.